Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to file a dispute on Klarna. So if you've been wondering how to file dispute on Klarna, this video is for you. Gonna give you a couple of tips on how to get that done. It's just gonna be a really quick video, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. Now you can log into your Klarna account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website on your computer. Once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the orders tab, and once you're there, you're gonna select the order that you want to dispute, and then you're gonna click on the dispute button. Next, you're gonna choose the reason for the dispute. Just go ahead and choose that, and you're gonna need to provide supporting documents that's going to validate your dispute. And once that's done, Klarna is gonna review that, and they're gonna give you a feedback on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a dispute on Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.